Today we are going to do an experiment using transistor BC107, how to control the brightness of this LED. So I'll explain the circuit diagram. And this is BC107 transistor. The emitter should be connected to ground and the base should be connected to 1 kilo ohm potentiometer. 1 kilo ohm potentiometer will be having 3 terminals. The middle terminal you connect it to base, the first terminal to positive terminal of the battery, the second terminal to negative terminal of the battery, and the collector of the BC107 must be connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor. Other end of 1 kilo ohm resistor to cathode of the LED. Anode of the LED must be connected to positive terminal of the battery. So this is all about the connection. This experiment we need breadboard for connection, and this is BC107 transistor. There is a notch here. The notch side terminal will be the emitter and middle one is base and the last one is collector. Emitter, base and collector. We need LED to check the brightness of the light. This is a 1 kilo ohm pot. Here it is written 1 kilo ohm. 1K pot. 3 terminals, first, last and a middle one. Middle one should be connected to base of the transistor. First should be to VCC, that is 9 volts positive, and last one is a negative terminal of the 9 volts battery. On the collector side, we need 1 kilo ohm resistor, fixed resistor. This we should connect it to the cathode of the LED. We need actually we need 5 volts power supply for a better operation, but we don't have 5 volts battery, so I am using 9 volts battery only. Now we will connect a transistor first on the breadboard. This is emitter. I'll connect here. This is base somewhere here, and this is collector somewhere here. Emitter, base and collector. And according to the circuit diagram, the middle terminal should be connected to the base. This is middle terminal. I will connect this to base. We'll make this line as VCC and this line as ground. The first terminal to VCC and the last terminal to ground. And we'll connect battery positive to VCC and negative to ground. Next, we should connect 1 kilo ohm resistor to collector. And other end of resistor to cathode, cathode to the resistor. And anode of the LED, according to this, it should go to positive terminal of the battery. Anode of the LED to positive terminal of the battery. Last connection, emitter should be connected to ground. Ground is this side. Okay, now LED is on. So we will vary the potentiometer. You just check the brightness of the LED. See, off, low brightness, rotate in clockwise direction, brightness is increasing, 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 and it is very high now. So again I will rotate in anti-clockwise direction, brightness is reducing. In this way we can control the brightness of the LED using transistor. This is another application of transistor. So we have already done an experiment using transistor, that is transistor as a switch in first semester. So now this is second application of transistor. Using transistor we can vary the intensity of the LED. In this experiment, we are using a BC107 transistor as current amplifier. So in this circuit, the transistor acts as current amplifier. It means it amplifies the current to control the brightness of LED. So this I have already shown. Just I'll show you the circuit. So here is the circuit. 1 kilo ohm pot is connected, and the first terminal I have connected to positive of battery, and the third terminal it is connected to negative of the battery. The middle terminal is connected to base. Emitter is connected to negative of the battery. Collector to 1 kilo ohm resistor, and 1 kilo ohm resistor to cathode. Anode to positive terminal of the battery. Very simple connection. So after setting up the connection, how to do the connection in procedure I have written. And as the potentiometer is rotated, the current at the base of the one transistor increases, so or decreases depending on the direction of the rotation. When I rotate this knob either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction, the current supplied to the base of the transistor increases or decreases, depends on the rotation. So this change in current alters the collector current. So which in turn changes the brightness of the LED. So here when the base current is changed, the collector current changes, and the collector current changes, the brightness of the LED also changes. So this experiment demonstrates the BC107 transistor amplifies the base current and controls the collector current, and it allows the LED brightness to be varied using the potentiometer. So here the input base current gets amplified, and which we get it in the collector of the transistor. Therefore, it is called as a current amplifier. So all of you practice this experiment, so you will understand how the transistor acts as an amplifier. In the next experiment, I'll connect to an ammeter here on the base side and one more ammeter on the collector side. This ammeter measures the base current, and this ammeter connected in the collector measures the collector current. As the pot varied, the base current varies, and you can check in the next experiment video. When the base current is varied, the collector current also varies. Depends on the collector current, the brightness of the LED varies. That I'll do demonstration in the next video.